Okay, we're going to start with explaining what we have to start with. This is the field here. We have some drown out spots, some issues that's been tried to fix with ditches. As you can see here, we got a major spot here that needs some work with. Got all these ditches coming through here, draining these little lows out here that are, looks like they're starting to wash a little bit. Got out some drown out spots in through here. So to go about fixing that, here's the original surface, original contours. Got this spot right here just don't have nowhere to go. You can see the flow paths here, that it just kind of flows here to the center and dead ends. So let's go about fixing that. So here's the design that I come up with, the best yardage. It includes creating two major ditches. So we are draining the field by 1/10 and a half. So there, everywhere out there, there's at least 1/10 and a half of grade. That is 1/10 and a half of foot per 100th of fall. So that gave, as you can see, our cut fill map here, we're doing anything in the green is on grade. We're really not touching. The blue parts is where we're filling. We're filling up to 1/2 foot in this area, building some grade, which it's coming back into this corner here. So we're building some grade, getting that water to flow. Show you the flow paths here. So as you can see, this water's flowing towards this corner or towards this ditch. Getting this ditch and drain down this way. So digging a major ditch here through the center, which there's already a ditch there, which will drain all of this, drain a little bit of this side, but drain all of this side, and it'll come flow down here through to the center. Digging a major ditch along this edge as well, which will drain this corner. So there's quite a bit, something like 13 acres or something, that kind of water moves back to this corner or moves towards this edge here. So this ditch will route the water. The problem that I'm coming up to is, and I only have about 1/2 of grade in this ditch, which is really not much grade, but we got a deep ditch, so it should still move a good volume of water. The problem is I don't know the elevation. I mean, it's in and up about 1.5 feet deep here on this end, and I don't know if we can do that. If the water needs to be, if there can be a little ditch drug through this tree line here to route this water straight down to the creek, or do we need to turn that ditch sideways and go this way to get the elevation drop that we need and get into this creek here? Not sure on that ditch. Need to fine tune that a little bit, but we came up with about 12,000 yards. Total moved is about 13,000 yards. Between those two ditches, we're filling in, like I said, about 1/2 foot of dirt here, building some grade out to get that water to move out. We do or have some fill in this area that we seen that was drowned out earlier, and these areas here. So those areas get some grade built into them to get that water to move out. It'll come down to the ditches and move on. I know we got a road that comes through here that we'll need to leave in there. We'll cut that out of the design, so we won't mess with that road. Really, those road ditches could get filled in along that road, because there should be enough, should be 1/10 and a half of drainage at least going this direction. So that's where I'm at on that design right there. I got another design that, I like the design. It's double to triple the yardage, but I'll put that on another video.